Welcome back to my channel. This is K from Solo Record. Today I'm going to unbox Simbadda Cst 806N. This speaker cost me around $23 US. This all inside the box. Micro USB cable charger. .5mm cable, warranty card, manual book, This is Simbadda Cst 806N. Battery 1500 mAh. Let's try the speaker. The speaker have 3 modes, and the first one is Bluetooth mode.
Enter to Bluetooth. Bluetooth connected.
We froze, cold night in the winter, how cold. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah. The end, got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me, hanging in the corner with a nose.
The second one is aux mode.
Enter aux in plain.
And the last one is radio mode.
Enter radio in plain.
In radio mode, use the 3.5mm audio cable to be used as an antenna. You can also use the micro SD card and the flash drive to use as an audio input. In my opinion, this speaker is loud and clear. The bass is good, you can feel the impact and doesn't have noise. For me, this speaker is good compared to the price. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.